Welcome to our full guide on how to play Baseball 9 with friends in multiplayer mode. Whether you're a seasoned player or a newcomer, we've got you covered with everything you need to know. First up, let's set up your Baseball 9 account for multiplayer gameplay. Simply download the app, create an account, and make sure you enable multiplayer features in the settings. Baseball 9 offers several multiplayer modes, including ranked matches to test your skills and friendly matches for casual play. Choose the mode that fits your mood. Inviting your friends to play is simple. Just go to the multiplayer menu, select Invite Friends, and send them an invitation through their preferred platform. In multiplayer mode, understanding the game mechanics is crucial. Be aware of pitching, batting, and fielding strategies to outsmart your opponents. Coordination is key in multiplayer matches. Share strategies with your friends, whether it's defensive formations or offensive plays, to enhance your chances of winning. Connection issues? Don't worry. Common problems can often be resolved by checking your Wi-Fi connection or restarting the game. Let's dive into some quick fixes. Why not take your gameplay to the next level? Engage in tournaments or organized friendly matches with your friends for an exhilarating experience. Personalizing your settings can significantly enhance your gameplay experience. Adjust graphics, controls, and sound settings to find out what suits you best. To wrap it all up, playing Baseball 9 with friends can be tons of fun. Use these tips to make the most of your multiplayer experience and hit home runs together.